Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your guitar playing by using jam tracks and have a great time in the process. Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you learn guitar and unleash that musician that's inside. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell so I can get you some more guitar lessons, tutorials, guitar tips, and help you learn to be awesome on guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use jam tracks to improve your guitar playing, and it's a lot of fun as well. By using jam tracks, you're going to be more motivated to practice, and of course, the more you practice, the better you get. Also, they have the advantage of helping you constantly work on your rhythm. You know, as guitar players, when we play by ourselves, we'll slow down and speed up, and after a while not even notice it. But the jam tracks keep you honest, just like playing with a band. There are many ways to use jam tracks. It's common to use jam tracks to practice both scales and improvisation. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to get better at chords, since they're the foundation of guitar playing. And I want to make sure that if you're going to learn improvisation, somebody wants to play with you because you can play the basic chords. So let me take you over to my computer, and I'll show you right on the screen how I get started with a jam track. Now, the first thing I want to do is to choose the correct jam track. I'm going to assume for this exercise that I need to work on the C add 9 chord. So I want a jam track that has that chord, but doesn't have a bunch of other new chords. This one seems to fit the bill. I already know D, but it has the C add 9, and I already know G. So this would be a good fit. I'm also going to pull up the chord chart, which just shows me the chords and how many beats per chord. I have that up right here. And it's 4 strums of the D, 4 strums of the C add 9, 4 strums of G, and 4 strums of D again. And then we'll start the whole thing over. Now, I want to start with the slowest version as well. So I'm ready to work on the 60 beats per minute. First of all, before I even start playing with the jam track, I want to just practice the chords. So the second step here is to actually just play the D chord, play the C add 9, play the G, and try to play them one after the other. Once I can play them very slowly without stopping, then I'm ready to try it with a jam track. Now, you want to play the chords, and then you want to see if you can do it one after the other without stopping. It's a little harder to pay attention to the music and to play at the same time, so that's a good step on the way. Now, the next step, let's say I can play them one after the other very slowly without actually stopping to finger the chord. I'm going to go ahead and play the jam track and try playing along at the slowest speed. Let's give that a try. I'm going to bring up the jam track right here. And I'm just using the player that comes with Windows. It's called the Groove Player. Any audio player will work. The jam tracks are usually in MP3 format, and most software audio players play MP3 these days. So let me start the track. I'll start from the very beginning. It's giving you a beat. 2, here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Now I'm going to strum each time. 1, 2, that's the D chord. 3, 4. Now it changes. 1, I'm on the C add 9. 3, 4. The G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then start over. D again. 1, 2, 3, 4. C add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, then the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and start over. So you notice that you really don't have time to stop and finger the chord, so you want to prepare a little bit before you do that. But it's also training you not to pause between chord changes, which is, of course, how you really play guitar. Nobody stops in the middle of a song, fingers the chord, and then goes on, not even slowing down. It makes the song not sound right. So once you get the 60 beats per minute, you go on to try it a little faster, in this case 80 beats, and then go on to the 100 beats per minute. I thought I'd give you another view of me practicing along with the jam track. In this case, it's the exact same jam track. It's going to be a D chord, a C add 9, and a G chord, then back to D. I'm working on that C add 9, but the D and the G are going to help me practice it with other chords. So I'm starting with the slow tempo, and I'm going to get started with the D. What I'm listening for is to start off as the click, so I'll know the tempo, and then I'll start playing the D. I'm using straight down strums. 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, D. 1, 2, 3, C add 9. I use nice, simple, straight down strum, so... Oh, no talking. There we go. Back to D. Now, once I'm more experienced, I might want to add something. A little down, up. But don't do this until you can do straight down strums. And here's a little fancier strum. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell. And while you're at it, let me know in the comments field if you enjoyed this video. And if you can think of something else that you'd like to see, I'd be happy to consider it as long as there's enough demand for it. Please leave me some comments, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.